How to retrieve archived chats on Telegram. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Telegram app. After that, you will be able to see this interface. So when you archive a chat of someone, you will be able to see the archived chats in the top portion of this screen. So for viewing the archived chat, you have to simply tap on that, and by tapping on that you'll be able to see the archive chat. So in order to unarchive, you have to simply press and hold the chat, and you have to tap on the three dotted vertical line in the right upper corner, and by tapping on that you'll be able to see the unarchive option in the first row. So simply tap on that, and by tapping on that you'll be able to unarchive the chat. So by following this simple step, you can retrieve archive chats on Telegram. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.